Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here again, and this video I want to show you a new feature in the Builderall Business section that just came out. It's going to allow you to communicate directly with all your leads and all your business partners and people that you're bringing into the business. So uh, this is pretty cool, as you can see here. Um, you get two different types of notifications, so you can click just notifications. So that'll be like a desktop notification, which means if they're on their back office, it's going to appear down here, a little pop-up. You can but you can click that off if you don't want to do that, or you can click it on if you do, as well as email, which means it's going to show up in their inbox. And then here's another little cool feature of it is automatic translation. So if you have um, people in your organization in other countries, it'll automatically translate to their language, so they're going to get the message that you're trying to send them. So it's pretty simple to do. You can use it for numerous tasks to update on training, update on, send out reminders to join the weekly webinar that's coming out. You can use it to uh, continue, or as part of the sales process, to get your leads to upgrade to the, access the full platform, or to get anyone in your Builderall Business trials to upgrade to Pro, or to go full blown into the business so that you can start building with them. So and this is where you're going to be able to contact all those. So to when you create a message, you're just going to click on these. So if you have leads that canceled, you want them to, you want to try and bring them back in, you can just click on that, and that's going to go over to here to send to. Then you just simply click on X if you choose not to do that. So as you can see, you're going to find that right over here. So in Builderall Business section, it's going to be in that little toolbar right here, and it's highlighted right there. So it's very simple to get into. And then you're simply just going to type in your message. You'll put your URL right here, the title for the action button. So click here to, let's say we just want them to upgrade to Business Pro. So you just kind of do like that, and then you'll put your Business Pro, or you'll put your business funnel link right here. If you're unsure of that, I have another video that's gonna explain all that, which will appear up here. So you can click on that, check that out, get details on that, and then you're just gonna type in your message and then type in your title. Super simple. And then once you're done with that, you will just click on where you want to send it to. So if you want to send it to your Builderall Business leads, if you have ambassador leads, you can do that. And then just click send when that button lights up. So super easy. So we'll just kind of put some content here so you can see how it works. But you'll just type in your message like, hey, we have new training. Thought you might want to see this if you haven't upgraded to the Business Pro level and are able to get 50% commissions. Pay nothing for a month and earn while you pay. And then you'll put the button here, put the URL here. You'll just copy and paste that in there, and then you see that that lit up, and then you're just going to click that button. It's going to send it away. So that's pretty much it. That's the new feature. Super simple. Just makes everything a whole lot easier. That's what I love about Builderall, is they just keep adding new features, and keep making it easier and easier for the user. So if you're unfamiliar with Builderall, or you want to get started, click the link below. I will have a tutorial that's going to be at the end of this video that's going to explain how to use the tools better. It takes a little bit a little bit of a learning curve to kind of get familiar with everything, but it's just like anything. You just gotta practice. Just gotta learn, practice, and then you'll get better, and it'll be the functionality will be more familiar with you. So that's it for this video. I hope you got some value out of that. If you've been following me with these Builderall businesses or Builderall videos, then I recommend you just get on board. Start that free account by clicking the link below, and then upgrading to Pro, and you can start earning commissions while getting full access to the system and nothing to pay for a month. So in that month you can earn following the training that you can get on my channel. You can get inside here and all that. Again, that'll be in the tutorial that you'll see on top. So got any questions, comment below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and get that free business going by clicking the link below, and I'll talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day.